Hi guys, welcome to my channel Crafting with LMB. Hello guys, my name is Brenda and I'm introducing myself to you guys. This is a new channel for me. I do have a second channel and I am Brenda. Hello, my second channel is called Limitless Mother B. I do cleaning motivation videos and motherhood really in that channel. So if you guys are interested on that also, I will leave everything in the description bar for you guys. I'm excited. We're stepping out of our comfort zone, doing a new channel, sorry. I'm excited for this one because crafting is my me time. So now my me time is gonna be shared with you guys and I'm excited. I want to do this channel for beginner friendly, budget friendly, and anything that you guys can think about that is easy. That's why I'm making this channel. I'm not a pro at crafting. This is why we are beginners, and I want to do this channel for beginners like me and you. And hopefully I motivate you guys doing your own channel or starting your own crafting, buying your new sublimation machine, buying your new heat press, Cricut, or anything. I want to be able to motivate you guys and have that jump in life. So I hope we motivate you guys to start a new thing. I want to do this channel about creating and learning new craft stuff. And now we just got our new tumblers. I'm excited to open it with you guys. We are not sublimating today. I am just only introducing myself. Like I said, I want this video and this channel to be positive, and I want to learn tricks from you guys and tips, and I hope I give you guys a little bit of tips and tricks. Also, I want to show you guys around my little crafting area. We are in the garage. We did move in here maybe like 2.5 months ago, or 2 months, or a month. 2 months, let's say 2 months. We just moved in here and I'm in my garage, and this is my inspiration wall that inspired me to do a new channel, and I am so grateful for this little wall. It's been kicking me. I've been wanting to do a new crafting channel for a while now, and this just pushed it. Here you go. Adding to my chaos of a life of a mother, and we never have a breaks. So why not just add more things to it, right? So with that said, please welcome yourself in, subscribe, and let's begin this journey together that I want to share with you guys. So please share this video and let your friends, crafty friends, know I have awesome ideas for this channel. So with that said, I'm excited for that video. I have a couple things that I have a couple new things that I want to try with you guys, but of course we have to wait and do our videos for you guys. I will try to upload once or twice a week. Like I said, I do have another channel, so that's gonna be a little hard, but I do have my goals. My goals for this month is getting 100 plus subscribers. I had 50 when yesterday, but you know what, let's push it and be a little extra. So I said 100. I want to upload once or twice a week. And be more creative, right? What other awesome goals than that to have? If you guys have any goals for your crafting or start a YouTube channel, let me know and tell you guys what my next video is going to be, just because this day is coming up and I want to have this video out for you guys. We are going to learn together how to do etching on glass, etching, whatever you want to call it. But we just got it also a couple days ago, some etching cream to do some glassware for Father's Day. So I really hope you guys subscribe and really like this video. It's my intro for a new chapter. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next crafting video.